Yes, 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 yes. I love this type of situation. Look at that. That's perfectly perfect. Hi guys, my name is Anna. I hope you know that. But if you don't, I have my Telegram channel, which is completely free, and we trade together right there on binary options. I have 12 signals a day in my Telegram channel, so just proceed, check it out, and let's go. Hi guys, here's Mariana. I am right there. We're gonna be trading with the Quotex platform using just the strategies that we made up and that we wanna test, we wanna learn, we wanna earn something. I hope all of you know that and you came here just for the knowledges, I don't know, maybe for fun and for profit. Let's go. Okay, let's roll, let's change. For 1 minute, we're gonna be starting with the 421, and of course, gonna be choosing currency pairs with the biggest payouts. 93%. 93%. That's a lot. Let's stop right there. Let's choose 10 seconds again. Let's then proceed with the MACD, the 11-1. And today is going to be classic combination. Nothing new, nothing risky, nothing. How to say that? I don't know. It's just from all of the books, from most of the videos, just going to be playing with the colors. That's for you, just to make your life more complicated. Sorry for that. And you may see that it's going to be MACD, zigzag, and the fractal. So 2 indicators just right on chart, 1 below chart. But you know that MACD is just like 2 indicators combined in one. Perfect. So we're going to be starting and trading. And this purple is so ugly right here on chart, but I gotta leave it. Okay, that's definitely the downward trend. You can see that from the MACD perfectly. We're still following the green line and it's still green right there. And it's heading downward. We are with the orange candles also below zero, but you know that we're going to be following the patterns. And my idea, and you can see that already with the MACD, we are right there. That it's gonna be the end of it, and that was actually the risk because we are not at the bottom, but you can see that the pattern right now is to get that waves, we can call it waves right on chart, to be smaller, just to be smaller. And that was my expectation, that we from the big wave, coming, just coming, sure. And I don't like this play-in. I don't like that. Just a few seconds left. These 10 seconds candles are killing me. Yes, 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 yes. So here, let's make it shortly. We're gonna be raising and we're gonna be just playing for the upward trend. Look at that, MACD line's trying to cross and it's extremely at the bottom. And it's trying to cross, the green line trying to get upper. The candles green, trying to get from below zero to above zero. That's 100% expectation of the upward and maybe even a long trend. You can see that the zigzag, now the fractal, everything just proved us right. Let's see. Look at that, that's perfectly perfect. Maybe it's gonna be changing a little bit right now. You can see that the MACD plus the fractal is a little bit like, that may not be so pure and so long. No, it is still following actually. But that was just fun. We were at the lowest point, so it doesn't matter what's going on there at the peaks. We are safe. And again, that's the peak. We can see the crossing, we can see the green line trying to get upper, and right there on chart, it's not that perfect because we are not at the lowest point, it's already started. The perfect one. No. The perfect line is to be a little bit lower when it's actually trying to switch. That's gonna be, you know, the perfect entry point as for me. So when you catch it on the maybe last orange candle, and then you are safely, because you are safely upward. But the risk is that we don't know how long that's gonna be. I mean, MACD is giving us, that's definitely giving us a little bit of info of how stable, how long, and that's also with the candles of the MACD and the distance between the line. But you know, the chart may change rapidly, and being in the middle, that's risky. And you can see that we are not going so fast. Now we're getting a little bit faster, but then we were actually somewhere close at the estimated level, and that's the risk. No, look at that. That's perfect. And there, look at that. Again, detecting the crossing of the MACD lines, getting upward. That distance between the estimated levels between the two bets a little bit not so perfect, especially the second one, because it is closer, and we rise kind of fast, and we may go downward after that so fast too, and that's why to be a little bit lower, that's gonna be better. It is playing. Okay, let's wait. It started. That's, I think, because you can see the candle of the MACD turn to be orange and smaller and trying to get below zero. I must say that it would be maybe, oh, look at that, maybe the second part, just we earned something when we were rising, then we can earn something when we're going to be falling. But you know that I am not showing that because it's kind of one bet combined in two. But if you are so sure, you can actually have like 4 bets and then go home. So how about this one? Out of the zigzag, out of the fractal, seems like we are rising, and maybe that's just the letter situation, just a little bit like an inconvenience right there on the big rising. But of course, I do expect, and you may see that we are almost at the peak. So the previous peak was kind of on the same level almost. And what about the MACD? I love this type of situation, because MACD lines flat, getting combined into one line. How I can read it, nobody knows. What about the candles? The same. That's the bad situation actually to get entered. But anyway, my expectation was that it's just the part of the hill and we gotta get downward. But if I'm being honest, there's high possibility, there's kind of big chances that also we can rise. That's true. But I think we're gonna be stick to that pattern. Yeah, to close it. Yes. We were lucky, because you may see now this level is a little bit upper than we wanted. And that's it. So that was the final one. I can say that it was kind of nice and stable. Maybe that it even a little bit boring, because you can read perfectly this MACD and you just, I don't know, you're just searching for some combination when the chart and the MACD are combined, and you can see like perfectly what's going on. And if you are a little bit tired, maybe that's the perfect strategy, because you need something such as the profits, and you don't want to spend lots of energy or thinking. But if you want to have some real fun, risk, learn, maybe that's not it. But I don't know why. It's supposed to be easy and nice going, but I feel like a little bit exhausted. So that means that I was actually anyway in some tension, because I don't know, any reason. That happened.